Hi, I'm Brent Ramsey, Technical Advisor for Cinema Products at Canon USA. And I'm here introducing two important 4K UHD ENG professional camcorders, the XF405 and the XF400. For years, the XF line of camcorders has met professional videographers' needs, offering full HD video, outstanding reliability, and intuitive operation. The XF405 and XF400 camcorder improve over previously announced XF models in many ways, most notably with the inclusion of 4K UHD recording up to 60p, slow motion capabilities to 120p in Full HD, dual pixel autofocus, a first for ENG style cameras, improved operating ease thanks to a new UI or a better menu layout, a more compact size, and all of this at a relatively affordable price. The XF400's 4K imaging system, including a newly developed 1-inch CMOS sensor and new 15 times 4K optical zoom lens, delivers great video quality, making it a tremendous choice for a range of applications, including small-scale live broadcasts, news reporting, documentaries, corporate video productions, broadcast and communication schools, and much more. So, what's different about the two models? Well, the XF405 includes a 3G SDI terminal, which enables a secure BNC connection of a 1920 1080 422 10-bit signal output for broadcast. Now, with the exception of this 3G SDI terminal, these two models are otherwise identical in all other respects. As far as image quality, for the first time in the XF series, they feature a new 8.29 megapixel 1-inch 4K UHD compatible CMOS image sensor. The new 1-inch sensor makes possible greater control over depth of field, allowing for shallow focus typical of larger size sensors. The revamped sensor structure enables a 3.2 micron pixel pitch. In combination with the new Digic DV6 imaging engine, it further enhances high sensitivity and low noise performance with an improved signal-to-noise ratio over previous XF models. And with the inclusion of YDR gamma, high brightness areas of a scene are smoothly compressed, and YDR offers a wide dynamic range of 800%, giving more leeway in color grading. Now, shooting in YDR virtually eliminates the need for post-color correction processing, letting you use data in most cases just as it's shot right out of the camera. Enhancements in the XF400 series new lens structure create improved optical performance. Multiple aspheric elements have been included with the lens groups to achieve 4K image quality while correcting various aberrations over the entire zoom range. The newly developed 4K lens supports the large 1-inch sensor, but it's still slim and compact. The ultra-wide-angle 25.5mm and 15 times optical zoom allows for high 4K image quality throughout the entire zoom range. And when shooting in Full HD, approximately 30 times advanced zoom is made possible with virtually no image degradation. Now, for those really distant shots, there's even a 300 times digital zoom option. And more. So exactly what's different about the two models? Well, the XA15 includes an HD SDI terminal, the standard interface for professional applications, and it enables an uncompressed output at 1920 by 1080 with 422 color sampling and embedded audio and timecode. Now, Other than the HD SD SDI terminal, these two models are otherwise identical. Both camcorders feature a wide-angle lens with a focal length at 26.8 millimeters on the wide end, together with a powerful 20 times zoom reaching 576 millimeters at f2.8 on the long end. So it covers a truly broad spectrum of shooting scenarios, all while maintaining a compact design similar to previous Canon camcorders.